but we came together with that goal in our mind. We did something amazing that I think the whole world would be astonished when they see. My name is Chirag. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I've been here 18 months now, volunteering. My feelings towards this project, towards this cause, is that everyone came together to do something collectively. And this is a representation of all the hard work that all these different individuals from different facets of life, different age groups, different professions, we all came together, people without any experience of doing something like this. This Akshardham is for me, it's for you, it's for everybody. It's for anybody that comes by. They can look at it and they'll get something different than the next guy. So I think in my mind, I will always recall those memories and all the bonds that I created with all the people here. And I think in the future, it'll be amazing to meet up with all these individuals in all different parts of America. Some friends I made from Africa, some friends I made from UK that came here just to volunteer. And I think that's one of the greatest things that I have achieved being here, is creating these bonds with all these different people that in the future I can recollect and think about. So when I look at Akshardham, I just feel inner peace. I feel a lot of happiness.